Stop scrolling, because this one is for the broken ones, the ones who smile in public, but cry when no one's watching, the ones who say, "I'm fine," but deep down, they're not. You've been through so much. Disappointments, failures, people who said they'd stay, but didn't. Dreams that shattered, prayers that felt unanswered, and now you feel broken. You look at yourself and think, how could God ever use me? I'm not strong enough. I'm too messed up. But hear me, you may be broken, but you're still blessed, because God doesn't need perfection to use you. He needs surrender. He doesn't choose the flawless. He chooses the faithful. You see, in God's kingdom, the cracks don't disqualify you. They qualify you. That broken heart, that scarred past, that pain you hide, that's exactly where His light shines through. Remember Moses? He stuttered, yet led a nation. David fell, yet became king. Peter denied, yet was chosen to preach. Paul persecuted, yet wrote the gospel. Every person God used was once broken too, because God loves to take what's shattered and make it shine. He loves to use the ones the world throws away to prove His glory. You think your story is over, but God says, I'm just getting started. The same hands that made the stars are holding your heart right now. He's not done with you. He's not disappointed in you. He's developing you. Sometimes He breaks us not to destroy us, but to rebuild us stronger, like a potter breaks the clay to reshape it into something more beautiful, like a diamond is formed only after it's been under pressure. The pain you're feeling now is not a sign that God has left you. It's proof that He's working on you. Don't hide your brokenness. Bring it to Him. Because what you hide in shame, He heals in grace. He'll use your pain to help others heal. Your story will be someone's survival guide. Your tears will water someone else's hope. You may not see it now, but one day you'll look back and realize the breaking was the blessing. You'll say, if that hadn't happened, I wouldn't have found God the way I did, because He was there in your lowest moment. When everyone walked away, He stayed. When you had no strength left, He carried you. When you gave up, He still called your name. That's grace. That's love. That's God. So don't give up now. Don't hide from your past. Don't believe the lie that you're too broken to be used, because your broken pieces are still in God's hands, and in His hands, nothing stays broken forever. You're not disqualified. You're chosen. You're not damaged. You're destined. And you're not forgotten. You're being formed for glory. Keep trusting. Keep believing. Keep walking, because even broken vessels can still carry living water.